Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0TDI 150BHP Automatic Edition 75 with only 2980 kilometers. This sleek white beauty comes fully loaded with all the comfort, safety and technology features you could ever need. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with its luxury trim, privacy glass and roof rails, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Rest assured that this Tiguan has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style and luxury with the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan.